Well, hello everyone, thank you for joining me. I really do appreciate it. And I'm just going to talk about an issue I have with YouTube at the moment. So I wouldn't normally put a video like this up, because generally I think YouTube's a great platform and it works really well. However, I have noted just recently that a couple of channels that subscribe to me have commented, and I cannot see their comments. And I find this frustrating because I value every subscriber I have. I love the comments and I always reply. So if I don't reply, it's because I can't see the comments. So what I'm asking, does anyone know how to fix this? I still get comments. I've still got comments coming through, and I've asked a couple of family members to comment, and I've seen theirs. So it is working for a number of subscribers, but for some it's not. Now I have looked at all the usual things, so I've gone into the settings and clicked it as not appropriate for children. I've done all that sort of stuff and it's all looking good, but yet I still can't see some people's comments. So is there a way to fix it? If there is, I'd love to know. And is anyone else having the issue? If you do comment on this, I might not see it, and I'd love to see your comments. If you're having issues commenting on my channel and I can't see it, then I've included down in the bottom the link to my Instagram and also my email address, and we can communicate that way until I fix this. I hope I can fix it. I even unsubscribed to the channel, the couple of channels that I was having issues with, and then subscribed again, so don't worry, I haven't gone away, and that didn't seem to fix it either. I'd love to know how to fix this. Anyone out there in YouTube land, if you can please help, it'd be great. I did see another video that had been posted a couple of years ago with this same issue, and it became so bad that the person lost some subscribers because the subscribers thought they were being ignored, and I don't want you to think that. I'm not ignoring anyone. So let me know. I really would appreciate a fix for this. I don't know how to contact YouTube and report it. I suppose I can do that somehow. And look at the end screen and see if I'm promoting your channel or a channel that you might like to watch. And if you like this, give me a thumbs up, put a comment, and I hope I can see it. I'd love to see it. I'd love to answer it. And subscribe if you wish. But thanks again. Short and sweet, not as exciting as my normal ones. The main reason for this is that I wanted to let people know that I'm not ignoring anyone. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.